In this video, let me show you how to use the PayPal savings account feature. The main benefit of the savings account within PayPal is it allows you to earn a yield up to 4.3%. So in order to use this feature, you need to first of all navigate to the Finances tab, head over to Savings on the top, and make sure that you link your existing PayPal balance or an external bank account to transfer funds. So make sure you transfer funds to your PayPal savings account through any platform or through any method. And once you do, as I said, you'll be able to earn interest for your savings. You also would be able to create a goal within your section so that you can save automatically or set up the auto save as well. So you'll be able to see the auto save feature on the bottom. This way you'll be able to schedule recurring savings such as weekly, monthly, or even within your dedicated time and date, so that the automatic saving process continues. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.